Hello friends, this is Keval Shah here from Affleo Consultants. So, the RoDTEP scheme is a new export incentive scheme launched by the Government of India. It replaces the existing MEIS scheme. Before moving ahead, let me give you a brief idea about the existing MEIS scheme. The Merchandise Export from India scheme gave benefits to exporters in the range of 2% to 7% of the FOB value of exports in order to encourage and motivate them. However, the MEIS scheme was not a WTO compliant scheme. Countries like USA, China, Brazil had objected to the MEIS scheme at the WTO. India subsequently lost the case and therefore it had to find an alternative to the MEIS scheme. So they launched the new RoDTEP scheme, that is the remission of duties and taxes on export products, which is now a WTO compliant scheme. In this video, we will explain you what exactly is RoDTEP scheme, when is it going to be applicable, who all are eligible to claim, its application procedure, and finally how can we at Affleo Consultants help you to get your RoDTEP benefits from the government. So now let us understand the different type of taxes or duties which are actually going to be refunded under the RoDTEP scheme. It is said that presently only 30% of the indirect taxes are refunded to the exporters. The new RoDTEP scheme intends to refund the remaining 70% of the indirect taxes. Some of these indirect taxes include excise duty and state VAT on fuel used in the transportation of export products, the electricity duty, stamp duty on export documents like LC, state VAT on fuel used in the generation of captive power for the manufacturing process, and many more indirect taxes. Therefore, by refunding almost all of the indirect taxes, the new RoDTEP scheme intends to lower the cost of the resultant export product and make them more competitive in the global market. The RoDTEP scheme will be monitored by the Director General of Foreign Trade (DGFT). It will come into effect from 1st January 2021. However, if there is any delay in determining the rates for RoDTEP scheme, then it might come into effect from 1st April 2021. All the exporters, be it merchant or manufacturer exporters, are eligible to claim the RoDTEP benefits. The list of products that will be eligible to claim the benefits and their incentive rates are yet to be decided. The government has recently formed a committee to decide the RoDTEP scheme incentive rates. It is expected to get some clarity in a couple of months. We expect the RoDTEP rates to be more or less similar to the MEIS rate. So now let's understand how the rewards under the RoDTEP scheme will be actually given. Incentives under the RoDTEP scheme will be given in the form of freely transferable duty credit scrips, just like the MEIS scrips. These RoDTEP scrips can be used for the waiver of custom import duties, and if the exporter does not intend to import anything, he can sell it in the open market and encash it. It is proposed that the new scheme will issue these scripts electronically instead of physical copies and maintain an electronic ledger for each exporter. Application for claiming rewards under the RoDTEP scheme has to be made electronically to the jurisdictional DGFT office with the help of a digital signature. The documents required for the application would be more or less similar to the MEIS scheme, and it includes shipping bill, EBRCs and RCMC. We at Affleo Consultants are a team of DGFT experts having a rich experience of 10 plus years in the domain. We are helping more than 450 plus clients across the country to claim their MEIS benefits in a hassle-free manner. We have been successful in achieving a milestone of 250 plus monthly MEIS applications. Our experience of handling large number of MEIS claims will give us an edge in handling RoDTEP scheme applications as well. So to sum it up, all the shipments taking place after 1st Jan 2021 will be eligible under the RoDTEP scheme, and all the shipments taking place before 1st Jan 2021 will be eligible for the MEIS benefits. The MEIS benefits can be claimed backdated for last 3 years as well. So if you have already exported and are yet to claim your MEIS benefits, then please contact us and get in touch with us now. We have a pan-India presence. Thank you.